Hello, this is week 5, and this week is all about your introduction. Let me share the screen and we'll take a look at what you're going to be doing. First, you're going to read Davis, How to Write a Strong Introduction to a Research Paper. That'll give you some very good hints. You're also going to post your draft introduction in assignments by this Sunday. Okay, when you look at writing an introduction, you have got to have a hook. Something that makes the reader want to read whatever it is you wrote. For example, if you're reading a magazine article or a professional journal article, if the first sentence is something really boring, like research tells us that blah, 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 most likely you're going to yawn, and then you're going to go on and read something else that's more exciting. You've got to hook in whoever it is looking at your work and make them want to read it. For instance, I went ahead and included a hook from one of the journal articles I've published about scripted curriculum, which there's a lot of research on. You can make it real boring, but I started out with something that people could actually identify with. So go ahead and read my hook. Imagine walking down the halls of your school and hearing the same sentences read, the same questions asked, and the same teacher comments coming from each classroom. Impossible, you say to yourself. This could not possibly be happening, but it is. This scenario is becoming more and more commonplace in our nation's schools as a result of the implementation of scripted curriculum materials. So now I've hooked you in. You want to see what else I had to say, right? Okay. So that's the hook. Come up with a hook for your paper. That goes first sentence or two of your introduction. The introduction is a general overview of your topic. It's going to be 2 to 3 pages long, most likely. You're going to have a brief review of your research, whatever research you've done so far that really is exciting to you about your topic. Just brief, okay? You're going to provide a rationale. Why are you even writing this? Why do you care about this topic? What's important about it? All right. You're going to give a brief hint at what your methodology is going to be. Are you going to have observation be your major tool? Are you going to use test scores? What are you going to do? Is there going to be a questionnaire? Whatever. Tell us a little bit about it. Your introduction should end with your thesis statement. At least put it close to the end. And basically, the very last thing that's going to be in your introduction is sort of a little what I call the quote unquote roadmap. Where are we going next? So coming up with a roadmap is really an organizational tool for your whole paper. Now that you're knee deep in doing your literature review research, I'm a big graphic organizer person because I am really highly visual. So when I did all of my research for my master's thesis and for my doctoral dissertation, I mapped. I had huge maps because I needed to put something down in an organized format so I would not get lost in my data. It's very easy to get lost in your data and lose your way, trust me. So I highly recommend using some form of whatever form works for you, graphic organizer, in order to, get it all down on paper in a format that makes sense to you. If you have any questions about doing this or any other questions about your course, please feel free to contact me. I'm always happy to set up a meeting and we will Zoom about it. Have a wonderful week. Bye-bye.